Read this when you feel stuck. Some feels low, and it might seem like nothing is moving forward. It's easy to feel like you're falling behind or not making progress. But remember, progress isn't always loud or obvious. Sometimes, the most important changes happen quietly, without you even noticing. Even when you feel stuck, you're still moving forward. Resting, thinking, or just being are all part of your growth. These moments aren't wasted, they're necessary. You may be gathering strength, clearing your mind, or allowing new ideas to form. Growth doesn't always show itself right away, but that doesn't mean it's not happening. You're not behind, you're exactly where you need to be. Life isn't a race, and your journey is unique to you. There's no need to compare yourself to others. Trust that you are progressing at the pace that's right for you. When you feel stuck, take a moment to breathe and reset. It's okay to pause and take care of yourself. You don't have to rush. Sometimes the best thing you can do is trust the process, even if it's unclear right now. Remember, it's okay not to have everything figured out. Uncertainty and moments of doubt are part of the journey. They don't mean you're failing, they mean you're growing. Keep believing in yourself, and know that, even when things feel still, you are moving forward. Take a deep breath, reset, and trust your journey. You are exactly where you need to be. Keep going, and things will unfold in their own time.